Hello, I Xposed you from Bruce Pacho. Subscribe mama bado man so. Na subscribe ye the tumpen wenya. Pacho yen name the man that we call the silky voice. Maybe they are my friends or a complete musician. Kwabena Kwabena, the high life maestro. And you know auto flawless. Auto no man, I say ya also above no asane. Na saying you share dressing. You share send you can in sebi. Amen ko for kwa bisa guy uya ege ana na no na Zion Felix opincha no se masa matete nsambi ma hu ni amabi na media ni amete no yesi uya ege na yankwani ekwatie enchiremu a ya papa kwamra de bae a o chemu se opacho anyege yankwani ekwatie mra.
People were tagging you say what can LGBTQ+ as we gay.
Yeah. Very unfortunate, another very unfortunate statement. Because, Zion, being gay or not being gay, it's not like an association. Are you getting what I'm trying to say? I say what way. What to say? One say, or bar. Me sad about you because meaning say, oh, you or bar. Beautiful.
All body
beautiful. One sati bi enimo. Tibia. Ohunu be man ne kondo no. Ba me Kwabena du. Me hunu be man me kondo no. Can you understand?
Yeah.
So the fact that maybe I wear something and you insinuate say be a say was so bad or satire doesn't talk about my sexuality. That is unfortunately very ignorant. Do you make a what I say?
Yeah.
Sexuality is a state. It's not a baby as a ushiaye.
Yeah, appearances.
I see doctors na boa with this LGBT thing. Do you understand what I'm saying? It's either you are attracted to the same sex or not. Ultimately, there are people who are attracted to the same sex. But I am not. But it doesn't make me somebody who don't or who have a problem with somebody who is in that state. Do you understand where I'm coming from?
Yeah.
Yeah. But to put on record, I have 3 kids and I had them with women.
Yeah. But so why would people think that because okay obi nantete so ba
yeah
obi akose atare a ono feel say also ba na ehye
yeah
into no oye gay?
That's very wrong. Until I make a choice, there are individuals nam ho a omo mannerisms and I say even their appearance, their physical appearance even looks like the opposite sex more than they appear. There are persons titisa. But trust me, ube kone sexuality mu na nia odwene nya sa na te ode opa fa girl kotore. Do you understand what I'm saying? Yeah. So we need to be careful with these things. Well, and get the right education about these things. Yes, yeah, getting the right education. You know, I don't know. But then we have become a society, like I'm saying, you per stereotype, like you per stigmatizing people, you per as a so we don't even look at anything.
But are these commentary going to stop Kwabena from wearing those things so that people don't make such commentaries? Maybe now you start wearing suit and tie. Now maybe as you were wearing in the past, African wear.
No, I love fashion, and I mean Daniel Kopo wants to say, even as I am growing up, God keeps giving me a beautiful physique and a nice stature to actually put apparels on me. Trust me, I am that daring. I love to put apparels on me. Once it fits my body, I'll put it on my body.
So this tag, no, I mean, I'm not sure say anything started. Even when you started the cutest thing,
painting my name.
And VJ was be count. I'm big. I'm sure say corporate entity, big companies at it. Has that affected Kwabena Kwabena.
You see, that's the reason why we're having this conversation, because of the sensitivity about this whole thing in this country. But to put on record, I'm not gay. But my name is Zion. Me Kwabena Kwabena, me same person way. Me see you say me per man sing baby. Ladies man. Okay, fast forward. I feel in recent times, I feel yeah, me again, me name. I mean, hello. Yeah, super crap. I just say me nipa. What's the say? Though some people see me so strong, say I'm able to handle these things, but truth be told, sometimes these things are not encouraging. What's the say? Because service I would tag me say opema, because that kind of tag, you know, like there were times when, you know, it looked as if like yeah, so opema. I feel them where you know to say oh gay. The papa chop is gay why?
Me ba just watch a video, an interesting video. Nia oka no eto asum mayenyenyo kakra. You see, obi mannerism anase obi senior tie no does not equate se sa no tie. Sa de no Ghana for ye judge too quickly. Obi wo ho a ebi ani fie na mankwa na wo ho. Enti ne nantie ni bi wo ho no ma ai te se emma nantie eno nche se oyege ana lesbian. Me pa mo chow. Obi kwa ho ma oye feminist oye sebe oye bema bo gina ho ma emma na mema like oyobi a okuma ma na mema sa nipa no does not mean say ono so ye gay. Me pa chow. The third one is that dressing a fashion. Ye papa ba ku ya wo no fashionista yi wotimi share skirts. Oko Scotland na omo dresses are skirt and a top for mema. A fashion sense. It does not mean say nipa no e gay. Sadia na ye dia tagi obi kwa share slit person o gay. We say mani na mie. Kwabena Kwabena say mani mie. Mani abia nkabu nim say o dress here does not mean you are gay. And after all, ye artists. Artists no are building a brand. Ti brand na are building who say otonyo mama. It is say oyeniama bi na a man ye appealing to him. And yes, I'll make us work we buy do. Who say man no omo to nwum pe flexible voice obi a flexible but e do mpamu dey hard punch and no mo pe. It would see some way Kwabena kan dia. Na che say wonye girl, dabi wo so no, wo pade papa, me pese my body. Wo say ma me ensa no wo no, enye mmema no nyom wo ye ma. Wo pade no enekra mate say opebruta. Enti mamu hwe the fashion sense. Na mun ka say oye say na mpacho yenhwe bibi nso yewura Kwabena minim say o ye high life singer. Enti sometimes no na me kra o say sata mi na o start ye African way na o hihye beat them say wow. Enti mimi wom there as much as you want to brand your way no sometimes no perception too count. Enti mimi there minya ya me say Kwabena mpacho o nsa no jai kan ma mi kakra na bi atare no do air fashion no ye mo ne mema kakra because minim say me bra Kwabena wo pade no pema no nya onu gedi o fanya hwe. But Ghana for let's check this. Manye too quick to judge. Obi twama oh we dey send you na to again. Send you okasa we again. Send you say who a wo kan no are you correct? Don't judge or else you be judged. That says the word of God. Enti wo a wutina ho na hu obi kakra na wo judge ne de e wow lie. Yewura Kwabena na wa mayati ase se wonye gay opache opema opeto emre opeto dendende ne obebu agum ambungum ono opene ebugum so ati ase enti mu amoka gay de onye gay I expose you FM Bembro so sham na from ya mejo so banwesi.